Welcome to Curiosity Now. On today's episode, we're going to explore the idea, what if Earth stopped spinning for 5 seconds? What if Earth stopped spinning for 5 seconds? Earth spins at over 1,600 kilometers per hour, and we never feel a thing. It's the silent engine behind our days, nights, weather, and oceans. But what if, for just 5 seconds, that rotation suddenly stopped? No warning, no slowdown, just a complete halt, and then a restart. In today's episode of Curiosity Now, we explore the terrifying physics behind a world where Earth stops spinning, even for a moment. And before we begin, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and ring the bell for notifications. It really helps the channel grow and lets us keep bringing you more mind-bending science. Right now, everything on Earth is moving with the planet's rotation, including you. At the equator, you're traveling about 1,670 kilometers per hour. Even near the poles, you're still moving hundreds of kilometers per hour. If Earth stopped instantly, the ground would stop, but the atmosphere wouldn't. The air around us would keep moving at extreme speeds, turning into a global supersonic windstorm powerful enough to flatten cities. Anything not anchored to bedrock would be thrown eastward with unimaginable force. Cars, buildings, oceans, entire forests. For 5 seconds, the world would become a violent storm of debris and shockwaves. Earth's oceans are not attached to the crust. They move freely. When the rotation stops, the water keeps going. This means coastal cities worldwide would be hit with mega tsunamis hundreds of meters tall. Every shoreline facing east, the direction of Earth's rotation, would be obliterated. The US East Coast, Europe, West Africa, South America, Australia's eastern edge. These waves would wash hundreds of kilometers inland, reshaping coastlines in minutes. The atmosphere would not just create extreme winds, it would rip apart. The jet streams, usually flowing around 400 km/h, could exceed 2,000 km/h. This would trigger global firestorms as friction ignites forests, cities, and anything flammable. Airplanes in the sky? They would be instantly destroyed. Birds, insects, and airborne life would vanish. Dust and debris would fill the atmosphere, blocking sunlight for days or even weeks. Earth's spin helps shape its slightly flattened shape. Stopping it even briefly would allow gravity to pull the equator inward and the poles outward. Massive earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, rifts opening across continents, mountain ranges collapsing. The Earth's crust would grind and buckle as the entire planet adjusts to the sudden stop. During the 5-second halt, Earth would become unrecognizable. A planet covered in shock waves, firestorms, collapsing buildings, and roaring oceans. But after 5 seconds, Earth begins to spin again, and the restart is just as catastrophic as the stop. Everything thrown eastward suddenly slams backward. Tsunamis reverse direction. Winds whip around the globe in chaotic spirals. The devastation would be beyond anything in human history. In the weeks and months that follow, massive dust clouds block the sun. Temperatures drop worldwide, agriculture collapses, weather patterns reset completely. Ocean currents, which depend on rotation, break down, leaving parts of the world in permanent drought while others flood endlessly. Even though the event lasted only 5 seconds, the aftermath would echo for decades. Survival would depend on one word: shelter. Deep underground bunkers, reinforced vaults, or protected mountain caves might keep a few people alive. But the global destruction, winds, tsunamis, firestorms, earthquakes, would leave humanity on the brink. Civilization as we know it would collapse instantly. So what if Earth stopped spinning for just 5 seconds? The oceans would rise. The atmosphere would roar. The crust would crack. 5 seconds would change the world forever. If you want more breathtaking science questions like this, be sure to like the video, subscribe, and ring the bell for notifications. It really helps the channel grow and lets us keep exploring the unknown.